Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Real Brown 03, and I want to give you guys an in-depth tour of a room here at MGM Grand Detroit. So I'm currently on the 15th floor. So when you come off the elevator, you either gonna make a right to some rooms or to the left. Ice machine is always down by the 20 rooms. So I am on the 15th floor, 1528. So let's go check what's inside. So as soon as you walk in, you have a full-length mirror right here. So if you're going down to Access Lounge, which is down in the casino, going to the casino or any other event here in downtown Detroit, full-length mirror to get yourself ready. If you like your room clean, there is a tag right here that you can fill out and leave on your door to let them know that, hey, I would like my room clean. Of course, you have emergency evacuation plan on the back door, latch, and you also have your light controls for the room. When you come into the left, you have your nice bathroom, which is a nice, beautiful bathroom. You got his and her sinks. You got a vanity mirror. Nice little candle lit there. Then if you know you're familiar with MGM products or properties, you know MGM has Cure products. So soap, shampoos, lotions, gel. You got a wastebasket, hair dryers underneath, and you have your towel and everything that you would need. Then you come on this side. One, you have your toilet room. Got two roll of toilet tissue on a nice toilet with a phone, so in case you need to call downstairs or anything. Then in here is your nice shower. Two different shower heads. You have an overhead one and one on the wall. Shower products in there, and a bath mitt. It's a nice little big size shower. Nice frosted glass. Behind the door, MGM Resorts robes. His and her robes at that. Really nice touch. So when you come into the room, you have your closet right here. You have your in-room safe right on the wall. Some hangers, laundry tag, luggage cart, some extra linens up there if you need it, and an ironing board. Come into the room. So this is a king room. So this is a grand view king room. So I'll show you guys why it's a grand view. So you have a nice king size bed. Have your room control, temperature controls right here. You have one nightstand with the alarm clock on it. This lovely thing is awesome. So you can sit down, put your shoes on, everything. A nice little sitting area. Then you have your nice big TV. Has your name on it when you can check in. Nice cabinet space. Then you have a welcome from the Vice President Hospitality. Grand view, you have a tap to go menu and a minibar menu. All rooms are non-smoking, of course. Then you get 3 bottles of MGM water, 2 glasses, corkscrew, ice bucket. So if you need more waters, just call downstairs and they'll have some more waters delivered up for you. Here is your mini bar. Of course, everything is a charge. So if you move everything, you will get charged for it. Even if you don't drink anything, you will get charged. That is the mini fridge that was in the room. No rooms do not come with mini fridges. You can request them, there is a charge for them. Then you have a nice desk chair. Nice desk in there with a Keurig machine, coffee and teas. A nice lamp. Room phone. You have another nightstand with a phone to call downstairs anywhere you need to do. You have a nice couch, which is real comfortable. I love sitting on. And what makes this room so awesome, a grand view, is this view right here. So the hotel is located on 3rd Avenue. So this is the grand view. So you get a nice view of D2E Energy headquarters. This is 3rd Avenue right here. You have Little Caesars Arena right there. You have the Medical Center. Come this way in downtown Detroit. And then more buildings are downtown Detroit. Michigan Avenue is right there. You have the McNamara Federal Building, AT&T Building. So yeah, this is why it's called the Grand View Room, because you get this nice view of Little Caesars Arena, Medical Center area, and all the nice tall buildings in downtown Detroit, and view of 3rd Avenue. So I'll give you guys another view from this area of a Grand View Room King on the 15th floor of MGM Grand Detroit. Leave a comment down below and tell me guys what you think. If you'd like me to do another video for you too, Queen, let me know. I'll do it for you. Other than that, this is the MGM Grand Detroit. It's Real Brown 03. Talk to you guys later.